This is part 4 of a multi-part video series explaining how to use Tada QR. In this video, we will cover how to link contents from the document to generated QR codes. Often when people create QR codes, they contain some text that is already present in the document elsewhere. If you change this text later, you also need to update all the QRs that have the same content. Tada QR resolves this issue by allowing you to link QR codes to text frames. Here's how to use it. At the bottom of the panel, there is a link icon. If you have a text frame selected, this button becomes enabled. Click this button to link the selected text frame to the user interface. When a text frame is linked to the user interface, you can no longer edit the text area, as this is linked to the contents of the text frame. As you update the contents of the text frame, the UI updates also. When you click Generate, the generated QR now contains the contents of the text frame. Once the QR code has been generated, it remains linked to the frame. Watch as the QR code changes while I edit the text frame. You can copy and paste linked QR codes and have multiple codes linked to the same frame. You can also copy and paste with both the QR code and the frame selected. The pasted QR code will then be linked to the pasted frame. Once you have a few linked QR codes in your document, you may forget which QR codes are linked to which text frames. Just select the QR code you are interested in, and then click on the Jump to Link button in the user interface. Tada QR will select the frame for you. This feature is especially useful when generating business cards. For this example, we will generate a business card. I have now linked multiple frames to the user interface. And generated a QR for those frames. Now I can copy and paste the entire business card and change the contents of the frames and the QR code updates to match. Another great way to save time is to share QR codes amongst multiple documents. The easiest way to do this is to export your QR code to a separate document using the Export button. This wraps the QR code in a separate document you can use anywhere you want. We can then place this QR code into multiple documents. Then, if we go back and edit the original QR code, keeping our linked QRs up to date is as easy as clicking the update button.